All right, let's see how many eggs we got today. Let's stick with our theme from yesterday and check this door first. I have 4 over here in this box. Let me bring you guys over here with me. Look, I have 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they've definitely found their favorite box. All the way to the top and all the way to the right. So let's check the other doors. None in this one. None in this door. That's my fake one. Oh my goodness! I have one in this door! 5! I got 5 eggs today! Okay, that's good. 5 whole eggs. Thanks, girls! Let's bring my eggs in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good.